Advanced Retail Mapping using Esri's Business Analyst. Within the Create Map section of Business Analyst, a user can select Points of Interest search. Within the geographical search, you can either search within a given market or your current map extent, which is the entire map view. In this case, I'm interested in looking in businesses within the city of Fairmont, Minnesota. When I select Apply, you'll notice that the study area is the city limits of Fairmont. Next, I'm going to select to search for mapping all of the top retailers. When I create that search, you'll see that I have Dollar Tree, Ace Hardware, Speedway, as well as Walgreens and Walmart Supercenter. Right now, you can see that the clustering occurs in the locations where there's a high concentration of businesses. I can change how that looks stylistically by changing my style options. And I also have the option to select different iconography for each of these businesses. If I wanted to map the Walgreens locations displaying the Walgreens logo, I simply select the icon and import my custom symbol. Once I have the custom symbol, I can use it going forward within my custom logo database. Here, I'll select Walgreens, and you'll notice that the iconography changes on the map. If I wanted to go through the process again with Walmart Supercenter, I could simply select Walmart Supercenter, select Custom, and then browse through the different Walmart logos. Once you've selected the logo, you also have the option to change the size, and then select Done. If you were to click on the Create PDF button, you would have a nice presentation that also includes the legend displaying the business logos and the map showing exactly where they're located. You also have the option to turn off the legend or put it in portrait format.